Hello everyone and welcome to Computer Science 7. Today is Monday, March 23rd, 2020. For today, a lot of you need to take a look at Activity 4. There are many that are missing, or I may have left you notes that you need to fix them. Otherwise, your Activity 4 is graded. Continue typing test if you're able to. So we're on week 9 and test 33. And due today is Activity 5, which is our Excel test, and you're going to be creating a budget with a chart. Be sure to use the online version, the version that's posted in Schoology, and not the paper version I gave you in class, because I had to make some adjustments since we're using Excel online. Once you've got all that done, you can go ahead and organize your files. And remember to keep learning. So again, for today, your big thing that's due is Activity 5, your budgeting test, and work on any back work that you have. I'd like it if you could get that done so that we can move on. Tomorrow we'll be moving on to presentations. So I've listed here people who need to complete Activities 2, 3, and 4. Activity 5 is the budgeting test, and if you finish all of that, you're going to organize your files. So I'm just going to review how to organize your files. We've done this once before. We made a word processing folder inside your Computer Science 7 folder. Today we're going to do the same thing again, only we're going to make an Excel folder. So go ahead and open up your OneDrive and open up your Computer Science 7 folder. Mine is a dummy folder because my Computer Science 7 folder has a lot of other things in it. So the first thing we're going to do is create a new a new folder. And we're going to name that folder Excel and hit create. Once you do that, you'll see your folder right here at the top. And you're going to move all of your Excel files, including your Excel notes, into your Excel folder. Leave your typing test on the outside because you're still using that. So to do that, I find the easiest way is to click these radio dial buttons here, hit Move to, your OneDrive, and you're going to put it in Computer Science 7, but for me it's going to be in my dummy folder, and then Excel. I'm going to hit Move here, and it tells you that it's moved the items, and when you open up your Excel folder, you'll see all of your files in there. So that's all I have for you today. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Remember, if you ever need to ask a question, you can use the Ask a Question forum. You can also message me in Schoology. Have a great day.